Hi there, I'm Bird. You may be wondering why I'm living in a house with a mouse and a giant animate sausage.
Hi!
I'll tell you why. It's because, well...
We all met in college.
Yeah, pretty much. There's nothing really that interesting about it. Anyway, we met in college, and we became so close that we decided to buy a cottage and live together. We've been very happy ever since, and we each have our own little job to do. Me, I go out each day and gather firewood.
I fetch water from the well and start the fire.
I cook. Sometimes I like to climb inside the pot and swim around a little bit so that the delicate flavors of my flesh seep into the water.
Sausage, you've been swimming in our broth?
Yes.
Okay, so those are our jobs, and actually, I should probably head off and take care of that firewood while it's still early in the day.
Yeah, probably. I'll go get the water.
Great, see ya.
See ya.
Oh, who are you people?
My name is Bob.
My name is Joe. Nice to meet you.
We're curious as to why you're picking up sticks off the ground.
Yeah, you look weird and creepy.
You look weird and creepy, Joe!
We both look weird and creepy, Bob. We just crept up on this guy and started asking random questions for no reason. We also have mustaches. Don't be a hypocrite, Tully. I'm the only weird and creepy one, because you and I both know that we were both equally weird and creepy. Thank you very much.
This is wild.
He's kind of stupid. Anyway, we were curious as to why you were picking sticks off the ground.
Oh, it's firewood for my family.
Your family?
Well, I say family, but more like roommates, I guess.
Huh. You know, getting firewood is hard work. Do your roommates do anything to help out around the house?
Yeah.
Where are they now?
At the house.
Well, so you're telling me that they're at home, just going about their day, and you're over here working your tail off to haul a bunch of heavy logs back for firewood?
I mean, they're twigs, but...
Same thing!
I just don't think it's fair that your roommates get to do all the easy jobs while you have to do the stupid, back-breaking work every day.
Look, my life is none of your business. I'm fine, really. Mouse and Sausage have their jobs. I have mine. We're okay, I promise.
Okay, suit yourself. But just know,
We think you're working too hard!
Am I working too hard? Guys, I was thinking, what if we traded jobs?
What? Why would we do that?
Well, I just feel like my job is way harder than y'all's, and I was thinking maybe we could mix it up a bit.
I don't know, Bird. This seems like a bad idea. Plus, I like my job.
Look, Mouse! I go out there every single day and work myself half to death. I'm sick and tired of being your two slave. I'm sorry. I don't know what came over me. Now, please, can we trade jobs just for a little bit to see if you like it?
Well, I don't know. I like my job.
I like my job too. I get to go swimming.
You know what, Bird? I think that's a great idea. I'll cook.
Oh.
Great. I'll take care of fire and water.
Can I help Mouse when she cooks?
Oh, no. Mouse's job is for Mouse. How about you get the firewood? Huh, buddy? How's that sound?
Fine. This is so unfair. Oh, hi, puppy.
It's taking so long.
Yeah, just back right now. Do you think it's okay?
I don't know. Stay here. I'll go look for him.
No.
Sausage! Where are you, Sausage? Excuse me, sir, but have you seen a living sausage anywhere?
Oh, Grimm! or stopping me. So I had to dispatch him. Sorry.
Sausages? Jay? Where's Sausage? Bird? Bird, is he? No. You know, this may sound weird, but this soup just isn't the same without Sausage's body fluids in it. That's wrong. I wonder what the big deal was about. It's a pot of boiling water. How can that be fun to swim in? Is it wrong that I'm curious? Oh wait, this water's hot! Oh, that's burning! Oh wait, this water's actually really hot! Ow! Oh, I can't do it! No, please! I'll die! Where are you? Help me! I'm being boiled alive! Oh, please! I'm helping!
Mouse, where are you? Oh well, maybe she's in the bathroom. Something smells good. What Oh, bone broth. Why does it taste like bird? I don't know why I even bother doing anything anymore. I lost my only friend, my only family. How is anything worth anything now? Doesn't matter. Time to get the water.